I'm Susan Welty, and I play horn with the Atlanta Symphony Orchestra. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a hosophone. What's a hosophone, you say? Well, it's made out of ordinary household items. First off, you need a length of garden hose, an ordinary funnel. This one happens to be 8 inches across. And what you would do is have your helper take this garden hose and you would cut it to 12 feet 3 inches. And then you will, if you wanted, you could keep the connector on as a mouthpiece, but if you really wanted to get extra fancy, you could get one of these fancy mouthpieces online. And then you'll definitely need some tape to hold it all together. I have cut mine to about 6 inches here, and I only need 2 lengths. So, are you ready to put it together? Let's do the mouthpiece first. I'm just going to put it in one end, and I'm going to really tape it as securely as I can. I've got lots of tape here, so I can just twirl it around and keep it nice and tight. And then give it a little extra squeeze to make sure it's really in there. And then the other end, I'm going to take this funnel and I'm going to just try and get it wedged in there. And we're going to put the other piece of tape around the funnel and the hose. And we're going to wrap it really tightly. And we're almost ready. Right here, give it a little squeeze, and there we have a hosophone. Let's see what it sounds like. Pretty good, huh? Now, to make a sound on a hosophone, you need to be able to buzz your lips. How do you buzz your lips? Well, you press them together and then you blow through them. So you go, kind of a little bit of a smile. Make a buzzing sound like that. And then you put your lips on the mouthpiece, not around, on them, and blow into the mouthpiece. I hope you have fun making your hosophone at home, and if you practice, you'll get good at it too.